I will explain about parallel processing and VLSI technology. In parallel processing, multiple tasks or multiple instructions are executing simultaneously. Simultaneously is called as, that is parallel processing technology. For example, here there is, as I said, that is a plus b is there, so it will execute, it will just assume it is having one CPU, control processing is unit, different, just assumption only, a minus b, it is also having one hardware unit, and a dot b, it is a into b, it is also having one separate execution unit. So like this, simultaneously, that is multiple instructions are parallelly performing, that is called as parallel processing. But if you go for pipelining, only one CPU is there, only one CPU, so but that is instructions are dividing, but here each stage it is having, that is parallel processing multiple tasks simultaneously with multiple processing units is called as that. With multiple processing units, you can execute multiple instructions at the same time. Is called, that is parallel processing approach. We can execute here, this is one instruction, assume this is second, this is third, and this is up to n instructions are executing with different that is CPUs. Different CPUs, we can execute more instructions parallelly, that is called a parallel processing approach. With this, you can increase the throughput and speed, especially the speed can be increased, there is no delay. So same thing here, we can say this, that is execute multiple tasks in parallel processing, multiple tasks at the same time, and multiple processing unit, with multiple processing unit it can be possible. And reduce execution time, of course it will reduce the time, and examples are, that is multi-core CPU and GPU, and communication overhead limitation, because the overhead may be increased. So this is about pipelining, parallel processing. Using parallel processing, parallelly we can execute different instructions with multiple processing unit. But if you go for this is pipelining process, single hardware unit with multiple stages. That is the difference between parallel processing and as well as pipelining process. The same thing in pipelining, parallel processing is used in CPUs, multi-core CPUs and GPUs and embedded systems. Benefits are high performance, better resource utilization, execution time is reduced, and used in real-time multimedia as well as machine learning. Thank you.